Yes, people, I am Steve, aka the Gunslinger of Gunslinger Speed Shop, and it's about time we done an update on the 48 Chevy. Now, the Chevy is almost done. It's so close. It is very near completion. It's just a couple of more bits to do, but I'm going to tell you what's been done so far, what's left to do, and the sale price, because it will be going for sale very soon. So one thing that I have just done is the wheels. Now I did buy some torque thrusts for it, which are over there. However, the offset is different and I couldn't turn the wheels. So they've had to go. The steel wheels are back on, but I've painted them in a lovely gloss black. Got some new wheel nuts all round. So lovely chrome wheel nuts. And I've redone the white wall and the tyre pen. It looks absolutely beautiful. Really, really makes the car. Don't know why I started talking like that, but we may as well go with it. Now, it's been 2K'd in a destroyer grey, not battleship grey, destroyer grey, just to keep it neutral and sellable. I mean, to be fair, on the camera, it looks a bit grim. Like, I'm looking at the screen, it looks kind of green, but it's really not. It's a nice grey. I'll put an overlay so you can see. If I move like that, I'll put the overlay over here and you can see outside what it looks like. It's a smart car. Now, it has also got a proper vintage sun visor. Fully functional, absolutely mint that is. No rust, no nothing. That is perfect, absolutely beautiful. Love it, really suits the car. Now, moving on to the interior. I've done one door card. I've still got to do the rest of them. The back seat is currently with Jamie Ayres being reupholstered, so I've refabricated the rear seat because it didn't fit, so that's going to be reupholstered, put back in black vinyl with some grey stitching, I believe. Upholstery shelf's got to be done. He has done a headliner. That is absolutely, you can't really tell on the camera, but that is mint. The front seat, that's coming out. That's also been retrimmed in black vinyl with the grey or white stitching. The dash, I've got to finish doing the dash. I'm going to leave it patina because why not? It looks fucking cool in patina. Resort out the chrome bits, bish bash bosh. I've put a carpet in there, so it's all brand new carpeted. This black trim here was disgustingly expensive. I paid, would you believe, nearly £100 for that black trim to go around the car. Nearly £100. Absolutely disgusting. That's the back. So we've got the little red indicator lights down there, and then obviously the brake lights and actual functioning rear lights. The handle, I've got to still do the handle, make that black actually. A little bit of a pinstripage going on here with the black badge. Rear bumper is actually off a Chevy Fleet line, not a Stylemaster. So this is a Stylemaster. The bumper it had was absolutely disgusting, and I managed to get hold of a Fleetmaster rear bumper. So I had to refabricate the legs coming out, the mounts, and I think it suits it really well. So, I should probably show you what's under the bonnet. So, there's no room. Let me go around the other side. We'll walk round here. There's no room. I've had to put it right up against the booth, which is really annoying. This is under the bonnet. So, I've got the red rocker. It's an inline 6. Got AccuSpark leads, new sparks, new AccuSpark super powered coil, carb, air cleaner, lovely little horn, little toot toot on there. All the wiring has been wrapped up, apart from that one I've missed out, but I'm gonna have to redo that one. But all the wiring has been wrapped up. Got an alley rad, got an electric fan. I personally, that's a heavy bonnet. I personally think that looks bloody smart in there. It's got electric fuel pump and all that sort of jazz. It's got the spotlight as well. It's got the old vintage spotlight on the front. It does move around. It's not wide in yet. But yeah, that is, I mean, it's not a lot I can say about it really. It's kind of a last minute video. I didn't really plan to make it. I just thought I'll make a quick video because it's been a while since I've done any long form content on YouTube. So I thought I'd do a quick one, smash a quick one out before I leave tonight, because I'm going right now. And just to update people on the Chevy, because people ask and I have not told. So there you have it. That is the 1948 Chevy Stylemaster. She will be up for sale very soon. I did say I was going to mention a price, but I will be completely honest, I don't know what to sell her for. Very vaguely, roughly. It would be nice to see 20 grand out of it. Whether I get 20 grand or not is another matter. because I don't really know what they're worth, if I'm completely honest. But it's a fucking cool car. When I'm off, I'd love to keep it, but obviously I've got the Model A project, the Model A lorry project and stuff that I want to build, and to be able to do it, I need to sell that. Also need to sell the rat rod. Who's that coming in? Oh, that's all right. So got the rat rod over here. That also needs to be sold. I'll do a separate video on that at some point. But the rat rod is up for six and a half grand or something. So if you are interested in the rat rod, hit me up about that as well. You can contact me on the Gunslinger Speed Shop Facebook or Instagram page, or the website. You can contact me via the Gunslinger Speed Shop website, www.gunslingerspeedshop.co.uk, on the inquiry page. And yeah, that's about it. So hope you liked the Chevy walk around. Sorry it's a bit crap, it's very last minute and whatever. So, but yeah, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe if you like this sort of content. I hate saying that, but honestly every little helps, and I do appreciate everybody that gets involved. So have a lovely day, much love, to the bit, see you in a bit.